Hey everyone, it's Mike Ball from WordPress.com. I wanted to show you something really cool and exciting that kind of came out with this last release of WordPress that not everybody knows about yet, but is really powerful. So I know I'm on WordPress.org right now. I actually want to show you this pattern section. So when you go into patterns, you basically get all these different block patterns, which are different layouts that people have created, that people have decided to share. So there's all these really cool kind of different creations for different pages or different use cases or whatever you want to do for different things. So you don't have to try to build it yourself with blocks and tweak all the settings and everything. So I'm going to go to my site real quick and I'm going to go to a new page. And so if you're used to doing this on WordPress.com, you're going to kind of expect this pop-up. If you're not on WordPress.com, this is something that we give our users, which is a bunch of different patterns that we've created for them to choose from. So I can choose different types of pages that I might be trying to put together over here. But I'm just going to start with a blank page because I really want to play with this block pattern section. So one thing I thought about doing is using this kind of circled image and short text option to put put a page together that highlights our albums that we've done. So all I have to do is click this copy pattern button, and then I'm going to go into this page editor and watch. So I'm going to Command V for paste. Boom. So I get it right away. The really cool thing about this is all I have to do now is select images that I want myself. So I want to choose an album cover. I'm going to insert that. And so it's going to get that circle treatment and everything on its own, which is really awesome. I can drag and drop the size if I want to, but I like this pattern the way it is. So again, I'm going to replace it. I'll select an image from the media library. I'm going to go to a different album cover. I'm going to do the same thing here real quick. So you can see this is super fast and a lot easier than having to play with all the different settings and all the different options that you'd have otherwise. So I'm going to select from the media library again. I'm just going to choose a different one. Actually, I like this one better. And I'm going to insert it. So now I have 3 different albums. I know the titles are cut off with the kind of circular cropping that exists. The designer of this made them 3 different sizes, kind of. I can tweak that a little bit. And I'll just change the font. Go to text to say what I want it to say, which probably isn't going to be this, but again, I'm just showing you. I can put some subtext in here, some kind of quote or whatever I want. I can also tweak this pattern and add blocks and do whatever else I want with this page, but you can see that using those patterns is infinitely faster than trying to create this from scratch. I don't have to add columns, I don't have to add spacers, I don't have to change fonts, layouts, or anything like that. It's already ready to use, and you just replace what's already there. So now, regardless of what kind of content you're trying to put together, you don't have to start from scratch and build from scratch. If you do create something from scratch, please come to WordPress.org and add it to this pattern library because it's really cool and there's a ton.